the Speaker if he allows some questions to be propounded.
Go ahead.
Thank you, June. Now, your third request is for the Commission on Human Rights to investigate so that proper charges can be pointed to and charged before any forum. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. If that is your request, since the Commission on Human Rights has the proper forum to investigate as far as the incident is concerned, there's no need of asking for executive session on this matter. What's the use of having executive session when you are requesting the Commission on Human Rights to conduct a thorough investigation of the incident and point out who are liable, who are the personalities who will be charged before the courts or any administrative matter for that forum?
Mr. Chair, the motu proprio investigation of the CSR is different from our motion to call for an executive session. Because as legislators, makibalota o kung say nganong netabo to, that's why we are wala tayong nihimo conclusion din, but we are inviting the head and those identified, proved, para mapaminaw na to sila kung unsa ilahang, unsa netabo, o kung sa tidunan na nga netabo.
Yeah, pero
at the same time, wala sa tamo dili sa Human Rights Commission to have their own investigation. So what? Kung maghimo sila investigation, maghimo sila katuang hearing para makahibaluta because kita man naghimo balaod.
So are you trying to say that the executive session will be an investigation, quote and unquote? Because we are not the proper forum to investigate. When you said executive session, that's different.
As I've said,
if you are asking for executive session as far as the incident is concerned, so that we can point who are the persons liable and the name of the personalities, we are, witch hunting. It should be the proper Commission on Human Rights that can properly investigate on this matter. Because you have been talking publicly that you want to go to the Commission on Human Rights. That's good. So why not involve? Why involve the city councilors on this matter? If you are really interested in your advocacy to point the persons who are liable on these incidents that you're talking to.
Mr. Chair, as I've said, the investigation of CHR is different from our own initiative of taking information, getting information. This is more on a legislative action para ako manigiklaro, para makarekomenda og mga policy. Klaro na kung ito recommend policy or procedural adjustment if necessary. So, kini nga itong investigation nga, delete investigation, in fact, just getting information from the proper persons. Sila si Ronnie at the probe, para may bawa na ito at anay, para doon natay mahimo nga mga adjustment. Kung tinanglan nga doon ay adjustment.
As far as the entirety of your privilege speech, you never mentioned in aid of legislation. You never mentioned that. It's only now when I point out that you have been hammering out that you will go to the Commission on Human Rights.
I'm sorry.
So what's the point in conducting executive session? He said, no, this is an investigation. I cannot see the light over such argument. It seems that you are trying to smoke screen your point in this matter.
Mr. Chair, mura wa maminaw tingalin ni si Consiel Andalis.
No, I've
been repeating this kakong giingon di kaganina. Number 1, to determine. Number 2, to evaluate. And number 3, to recommend policy or procedural adjustments if necessary. Din makani. Ano mga minaw?
Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chairman, move for a recess.
May we ask to strike out that last sentence, Mr. Chair? That's unparliamentary.
1 minute recess.
That's unparliamentary.
Later we'll tackle that.